In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a service in QuickBooks Online. Hi everyone, let's walk through this together so you can start invoicing with accurate, professional service items. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in to your company account. Once your dashboard loads, head to the plus button labeled New or Create. Click that, and under the Other section, select Add Product Service. This brings up the Setup window, where you'll define exactly how your service appears on sales forms and in your reports. Start by entering the name of your service. Pick something clear and recognizable so you and your customers know exactly what it is. In the Item Type dropdown, choose Service. This tells QuickBooks it's work you perform rather than a physical product. You can optionally add an image if you want a visual cue, which can be helpful for teams that manage a long list of offerings. If your company uses internal codes, you can also enter a SKU, though many businesses leave this blank for services. Selecting a category is optional but recommended. Categories keep your product and service list organized and make reporting cleaner. Next, write a description. This is what appears on invoices and sales receipts, so make it customer-friendly and specific enough to answer, "What did we do?" Then enter the price or rate you charge. This becomes the default amount on new sales forms, and you can still override it when needed. Choose an income account, which is required. Pick the revenue account that best fits this service, such as service income or consulting income. If you're unsure which to use, follow your company's accounting setup, or check with your accountant to keep your financials consistent. If your pricing already includes sales tax, check. Price is inclusive of sales tax, so QuickBooks calculates the tax correctly without adding it on top. If you pay a supplier or subcontractor for this service, enable I purchase this service from a supplier. This lets you record bills and expenses tied to the service and track costs alongside revenue. When you're done, click Save and Close to finish, or Save and New to add another service right away. You can always come back later to edit details as your offerings evolve. That's it. You've added a service in QuickBooks Online and set yourself up for accurate invoicing and reporting. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.